Alright, hey cartoon friends. So today we're going to draw a cute dragon. But for this time, I think we're going to go straight to markers. We're going to just use Crayola markers, a sheet of paper, and foam underneath. Alright, okay, so let me just test this out. Let's see how this looks. I think that one's drying up a bit. I'm not sure. Let's try this. That's not bad. Okay, here we go. So let's start with the head shape. So we're nice and big. So big body here, sorry, big head here, and a kind of tiny body, and then legs. Okay, so let's see if I can get this going. So I'm gonna start with, let's say, the eyes. So I'm gonna make a nice big eye over here. So nice big eye, around like that. Okay. And I'm going to get a little shape in the inside, like little highlights in the eyes. I will eventually color these in or leave it. The top one's definitely going to be white. This one I might color in like maybe blue or something. So I'm just filling in the lines here. Okay, so this is the one eye. Okay, and then I'm going to do the other eye over here. Okay, so here we go, nice and big. Okay, like that. And then another, on the bottom part. And then a big highlight right there. And then a little highlight. Okay, and just fill it in. Okay. Great. And then I'm going to do the mouth. So just like a little, like almost like a W shape. Like that. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add, just going to fill this in. Hold on. Make little mistakes there. Okay. Great. So I'm going to do a little cheek and curve it around, okay? So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to wrap it around like that. And then on this side, same thing. Wrap it around like that. And then I'm going to do the forehead, kind of the side of the head here, all the way up to about here. I'm going to go, let's see, wrap it around and down, okay? And from here, I'm going to make nice and big ears. Let's see if I can do that. Round like that. Then the inside of the ear, like that. And kind of little side little tufts, like that. And what I'm going to do is little spikes, little horns, like that. The inside, spike. Wrap it around. Great. Then this other ear. Okay. Great. And then I might do is a little eyebrow. Little eyebrow there. And then the little detail like that. In there. That's good. Okay. So that's his head shape. What I'm going to do now is the body. So I'm going to give a nice little kind of like S shape, but keep it a little smaller than the head, okay? So an S shape. So down, like that. Okay. And now the feet. And little toes, okay? And now the hand. And little fingers, okay? This is the little part of the belly there that comes up. And then now the body shape. So I'm going to go around, a little thicker at the bottom, and curve it around like that. Okay? And then the inside lines. Okay? And then the other arm. Great. And the back leg. Okay. Now I'm going to do the tail. So I'm going to imagine an imaginary line comes through and around. So, okay. And then little circles like that. And little spikes. Great. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add kind of the wings. So little wings. Let's see if I can get the wing around like that. Nice and round. Spike down. Spike like that. And then around. Okay. Now the top part of the wing. Great. Now this other part of the wing that comes around, so it's flying, come out through here and then around. Okay. Great. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it some like speed lines. Like that. Okay. Now I think he's ready to color. Oh, forgot. Because then it's the body part that kind of comes around to the tail, right? I might add some eyelashes too. Great. Okay, so now I think it's ready to color. Kind of go, figure this out as I go along. So I might just use, crayons and stuff like that. So I'm just testing it on the side here, a little sheet of paper. I'm going to color this part, the inside of the eye here, a little highlight blue. Okay, check that out. That's pretty cool. Nice. Then what I'm going to do is find a nice kind of like blue, but softer blue, if I can find. But I kind of like the one I did for the eye. I might do the one that I did for the eye, but a lot lighter. Let me just kind of wrap that around. Because the inside, I'm going to do a little different. All right, so here we go. Color that in like that. Nice and light to start. Let's see how that looks. The side part of the hair. Okay, let's try to see how this looks. Just trying to get the blue in. Great. Okay. Okay, now I might do the inside of the ear. Pink. Let's try that. A little darker on the bottom part here. Like that. This cheek as well. I'm gonna do pink. Here as well, I'm gonna add some pink. Okay. And then I guess the wing can be pink as well. Put a little darker there for the shadow. I'm gonna add some, kind of lines across like that. This is coming out quite nice, actually. Let's see how that goes. The pink, darker for the shadows. And definitely over here is going to be a little darker on the wing. Nice. And then blue for the wing here. Let's color it. So the back part of the leg definitely is going to be darker. It's further away. So I'm going to color that one a little darker first. Like that. And this can be a little lighter. Just kind of like the skin here. just gonna add some shadow or some darker areas like shadows and stuff like that. And the tail. Let's do I'm going to do a lighter part just around here. I don't want it as dark as the blue, but I want a little, a little different there. And then I'm going to do the horns. So do pink as well, but I'm going to highlight it a bit like that. And then, what should I do right here? I'm thinking we should do pink. Yeah, maybe. Or a little bit of pink and then blue. Let's do a line like that. Let's try that. And then blue. Let's see how this looks. Not bad. It's not bad. Yeah, it's cool. It's actually kind of nice. And then I'm going to do the inside of the belly pink as well. These lines should be a little bit darker. And maybe just underneath the neck as well. Okay. Oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah. Like that. And then the kind of back part of the tail. Yeah, I think that came out pretty good. I forgot this part of the wing. Bad, bad, bad. All right, cool. And then fix that up. Just darkening this up a tad. Let me rosy up the cheeks up a little bit more. Yeah. Then fix up the eyelashes a bit. Darken this blue over here, the back leg. Just want to darken that to make it look a little further away. Great. And I think that's it. I think I'm just going to sign it and it's done. Let's see. Done. All right, high five, friends. And here it is. Hope you like it and have fun. Bye.